Saw the new product, the auto drain valve for the catch can for the S3. Can anything bad happen about draining it back into the engine? Great question. I'm glad you asked this. So the stuff coming out of your engine is perfectly good stuff. Uh, the only problem is that it came out of your engine. So what's the solution? Well, we're going to put it right back in. It's just oil. And there's some water as well, but you already have water in your crankcase because every time you start your motor, uh, hot air fills your engine crankcase, but the block is cold. So whenever you start your motor, all the inside surfaces of your crankcase get covered in condensation. That condensation runs down and pools up in the oil. This is why you're not supposed to do short trips. Even manufacturers say that you should not do a lot of like 5 minute drives in a row. You need to get your oil up to temperature. These are kind of uh, old adages or sage advice when it comes to cars to warm it up, get to operating temperature. That's so the water in your oil can evaporate and boil off, essentially. It doesn't need to boil, but it needs to evaporate. The hotter water gets, the faster it evaporates. Um, so yeah, we just want to put all that back into your crankcase because it's perfectly good oil and there's nothing wrong